Here, we would like to share with you a very good news from Pakistan Air Force. Pakistan Air Force is going to perform a flypast with Chinese JS-10 planes on Pakistan Day 23rd March. This is in response to the fire a complete squadron of JS-10 J-10C aircraft will fly past on 23rd March 2022. I am Wasim Raza from Italy and you are watching Globbal Tv. In this video, we will share with you also J-10C fighter jets visuals. Pakistan received the first batch of Chinese multirole J-10C fighter jets on Friday, 4th March 2022. They were flown to Pakistan through Gilgit-Baltistan, flanked by two F-16. The first batch comprises of 6 J-10Cs which landed at Minhas Air Base, Kamra in the Attock district of Punjab. Pakistani pilots who had been training for 3 months in China flew the first batch to Pakistan. They will now be stationed in Pakistan. China has sent its technical team with the first batch. It is expected that the President Arif Alvi and Prime Minister Imran Khan will integrate the first batch on a ceremony on March 11. Pakistan has purchased a total of 25 J-10Cs and first batch will be flying on Pakistan Day Parade on March 23rd. The J-10C is expected to counter India's move to buy aircraft from the West that India recently displayed the French-made Rafale jets on the Republic Day Parade. Viewers, you have to remember China is one of the biggest weapon exporters for Pakistan armed forces. It has also partnered with Pakistan Air Force to build JF-17 Thunder fighter jets. As Pakistan is very satisfied over receiving the first batch, the Indian media has started, as usually, propaganda against Pakistan and termed J-10C a threat to India and for the region. Keep in touch with the Globbal TV for having more information on JC fighters jets. Take care till next with new video.